So Christian Porter is leaving Ateneo because of not only the grades, it's not just in the classroom, it's personal problems, and I hope that he gets it settled out before he what do you call this? I hope he solves whatever issues he's having outside the school. Since we all want the best for Christian Porter, it's a talented guy, played for Batang Gilas, and definitely nakita na rin naman natin yung potential niya as a player, as a 6'3", 6'4" forward. Undersized but knows how to use his body. Anyway, now that he's leaving Ateneo or has left Ateneo, ano ba sa tingin yung mga schools na bagay siya? If you guys would ask me, I prefer he would move to the NCAA kasi sayang rin naman kung sa UAP rin siya lilipat ulit, 'di ba? Kasi that's gonna be 2 residency years na mawawala. And sayang sa development niya. I want him to play immediately kasi sa NCAA, I think he will have 4 years daw if he chooses to move to the NCAA. So let's think about that. He's moving to the NCAA. What school do you guys think he would fit? CSB, San Beda, Letran. Ano sa tingin niyo yung mga schools na that could definitely use the skill set of a Chris Porter that will utilize his skill set the best? Let me know in the comments below, and I hope that Christian Porter is alright. Lahat ng whatever issue he's handling, hopefully it gets settled and hopefully he gets passed through it.